So, in Octopus, you can customize your dashboard. To start with, you can make the menu go away to gain a bigger workspace. Just click the button on top of the left menu bar. This can help if you are working on a smaller screen. Or may be handy, for example, in the control room, where all you need to see is the rundown. Another practical feature, bookmarks. If I work with something very often, I can drag and drop the tab to this top area and it will stay there for me until I decide to remove it. Couple of clicks spared every day. And there is more. I can save my favorite desktop layout. See the button with the little screen? That's it. So as a planner, for example, a popular choice would be vertical split with agencies on the left and agenda next to it. Little things, but why not, to make life easier?